This is Prabhakar. My company is Kakatiya Media House. I am into advertising agency and YouTube content creation and promotions. Actually, I am proud of BNI since last 1 year. I am very happy with BNI Global. I have lot of referrals for my business, and more than of my business, I got lot of good relationships in my BNI chapter. And thank you everyone for this opportunity, and thanks to BNI.
Good morning, friends. My name is Bharti. I'm an interior designer. My company's name is Bharti's Design. I'm a proud member of BNI Global for past 1 year. It's very happy to be celebrating this 1 year anniversary with all of you. Being in BNI Global gave me a very good visibility and lots of friends. Thank you, BNI.
I am Banu Prakash, photographer from Global BNI. I have in Global from 1 year onwards. I like Global. I learn lot of things, techniques, how to do business and relationship. This is one best getting a reference from BNI. Thank you, BNI.
This is Padam and I am representing Karbandhu. I really feel excited to be part of BNI Globe. Really wonderful journey over 1 year.
I'm Vani. I'm real estate consultant. BNI నేను జాయిన్ అయ్యి 1 year అయింది. ఈ 1 yearలో నేను 2 crores వరకు బిజినెస్ నేను పొందాను. అండ్ 35 members న్యూ బిజినెస్ ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్తో ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ అయ్యింది. వీఆర్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్ విషర్స్.
This is Venkat Gunnam from GA Digital Solutions. I am from the category Digital Marketing Services from BNI Global. The last 1 year of my association with BNI Global has given me a lot of business. Almost like at this point of time, it is generating near about 2 to 2.5 lakhs of business per month. Thank you, BNI.
It was very nice being a part of BNI Global for this first year. Being a founding member, I have learnt a lot from BNI Global and a lot of business ethics. So I would love to be a part of BNI Global for the next coming years.
Hi friends, I am Shalata. I represent Srijanani Agro Foods. I am part of BNI Global. I am happy to share my experience past 1 year with BNI Global because I made lot of friends with different business, positive competition between the members, like because everybody represent different businesses. So a lot of references I'm getting nowadays.
I am Narayan Reddy. I am doing health insurance business. So my company is KD Health Insurance. I am associated with BNI Global last from 1 year. So we have learned so much in trainings and meetings. We have done different kind of businesses.
I am actually privileged to be a member of BNI Global. Actually, Global has given me an experience which I have actually got in my 15 years by meeting so many entrepreneurs. We have been basically blessed out in this COVID time, and this has made our bonding within the team very good, and how to overcome this difficult time to increase our sales or profitability is also being learned from the ground level from BNI Global only. Thank you, BNI Global.
I'm Dr. Ragi Chandrika, practicing at Ragi Dental Hospital. BNI Global, which is started a year back, and today we are celebrating first anniversary celebration. As you can see my memento, I feel very glad to receive it. And yes, I've been through these 8 years of my education. 12 years of practice is one side of my life, and BNI marketing and all is business is totally a different education, different chapter of my life. Learn a lot. I've learned a lot. I understood the importance of referrals, follow-up, thank you notes. There's so much of new language of marketing which was totally new to me. And my group in BNI Global, we are almost 33 members. We stayed as a family, supported each other, and it was a wonderful journey. And I definitely feel everybody has to join BNI to learn a different aspect of business and flourish themselves.
I am Pratyusha. I'm a Law of Attraction life coach, a speaker, author, and divine energy blessing hero. And I've been associated with BNI from past 1 year, from past March and March 2019. And it was an amazing experience for me. All BNI members are like, we are all like my family. I got so many other referrals from them to other people, and it was a very amazing journey, connected to each and every one in this chapter, in this Secunderabad chapter. I'm from Secunderabad chapter. So it's an amazing journey till 1 year. I was connected to so many other people in other global, other countries also. There were many people who, I had one Chennai person who had one-to-one session, and he is also referring me and I feel so happy to be in this BNI chapter and with this family. Thank you.
హాయ్ బిఎన్ఐ గ్లోబల్. నా పేరు ఆకాష్ సోలార్ ఎనర్జీ కంపెనీ గ్లోబల్లోకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత మంచి ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ బాండింగ్ అంతా బాగుంది. కలిసిన వాళ్ళు కొన్నే కానీ మంచి బాండింగ్ ఏర్పడింది, మంచి బిజినెస్ అయింది. లైక్ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాము. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
This is GV Sridharati, founder CEO of Flying Colors. We do ad films and corporate films. Last year నేను BNIలో మెంబర్గా జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. బట్ BNIలో జాయిన్ అప్పుడు ఇది బిజినెస్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అని నేను జాయిన్ అవ్వడం జరిగింది. బట్ నాకు తెలిసింది ఏంటంటే ఇది చాలా అద్భుతమైన లెర్నింగ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి మనం ఎన్నో విషయాలు నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. అలాగే నేను ఇక్కడ BNI ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద చాలా విషయాలు నేర్చుకున్నాను. ఉదయ్ శెట్టి గారి దగ్గర నుంచి చాలా విషయాలు నేర్చుకున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు బీ BNI మెంబర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
ఐఎమ్ శ్రీనివాస్ ఫ్రమ్ గోవింద టెక్ అండ్ సర్వీసెస్. BNIలో జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఆల్మోస్ట్ 1 year అవుతుందండి. నాకైతే చాలా హ్యాపీ, ఎందుకంటే మంచి కేటగిరీలో మంచి సర్కిల్ దొరికింది. సో బిజినెస్ కూడా ఇప్పుడిప్పుడే డెవలప్ అవుతుంది విత్ BNIతో. సో ఐఎమ్ చాలా హ్యాపీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ గ్లోబల్, థ్యాంక్ యూ BNI.
నమస్తే, నా పేరు పద్మయ్య తాటికొండ. BNIలోకి నేను వచ్చిన తర్వాత నేను ఇందులో నేర్చుకున్నది అందరితో చెలిమిగా ఉండడం, వ్యాపారాన్ని అభివృద్ధి చేసుకోవడం ఎలా సంగతి నేను నేర్చుకున్నాను. ఈ 1-to-1 ద్వారా నాకు BNI ద్వారా చాలా రిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చాయి, కొత్త పరిచయాలు జరిగాయి. వాటి నుంచి నేను ఇంకా లాభం పొందుతున్నాను. ఆ పరిచయం నుంచి ఇంకో పరిచయం పెరగడానికి అవకాశం కలిగింది నాకు.
Hello BNI Global. It was an immense, beautiful experience with BNI. I'm a career coach. My name is Arshia Tabassum. I got beautiful people with beautiful hearts, and I got an opportunity to explore world. I met with different kind of people where I explored my business as well. The best thing is like I made good relationship, and that too was healthy. Everyone was very sophisticated and professional towards each other. Many of the people helped me in my hard times as well. This is the best part of BNI. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity, and I want everyone to be a part of BNI when they are going to start a business or they want to join in business industry. This is a right platform and safe and secure for a new generation to start and explore their self.
I'm Raghav, BNI Global. I wish to convey that BNI has brought a lot of change in my personality, in my business sense, and I'm able to take business more seriously with a lot of learning and good network and good family of friends, and I'm learning a lot to BNI. It's a very beautiful platform where we can develop our skills in business and even personality development. I'm enjoying this journey in BNI and very happy, and I thank BNI once again for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi Global, myself Mithilesh, representing Bharat Agrawati Manufacturing. Very glad to be in BNI Global chapter. Thank you.
I'm Adarsh, representing Smart Wash Solutions. We are into cleaning services. When I've joined BNI, I got the exposure of getting a good network.
Hello everyone, this is Shruti Agrawal, owner and founder of Food Delight. I have been a part of BNI Global for the past 1 year, and it has been an immense pleasure to be a part of BNI Global. I have grown as a person, as a business person. I have grown many relationships here. I've created many networks, and this family has been support to me always. So BNI has not only been a source of income for me, but also a source of creating good relationships and a wonderful family. We've celebrated almost everything from starting from my birthday till every other occasion, be it any festival or anything. So it's a power packed house of all energetic 35 members in the team, along with the ED and the ST and the launch director. Thank you for having me on board. Thank you a lot. Bye bye.
Hello, this is Pawan from Cartier's Car Accessories. My category is car accessories, tires, wheel alignment, etc. and all AC bus, battery system. We deal in all car accessories products. I am very proud to be BNI member. I learned many lot things about BNI. When I joined BNI, I met many people who are visitors, who are my good members. I learned so many things from them. But unfortunately in this COVID time I cannot meet everyone. Sorry for that. I am proud BNI member.